Hello and welcome to my channel. I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis videos, analyze price action and prepare for trading day ahead every day except weekends. So let's see what we had yesterday and what we have today. What I said yesterday. We have an opportunity for a big squeeze up if we don't do a retest down here. If we do a retest, it's gonna be a choppy, boring sideways week, probably. So what we got? We got a retest, we got longs in the market, which I was thinking like, we're not gonna break out now because we give people opportunity to long. So what the hell, what are we gonna do now? But luckily we go down again and basically we wipe out all the longs. On the order flow it shows that they started longing here and basically we take out all the longs to the last one and then easy way up without any buyers. It's like if you need to sell 50 million to push the price down like this, and then it's only 10 million to push the price back up. You know that price moves easily to the upside. So why we're not going up? After this move down, we have easy way up. Well, the market closed around here, US stock market. Maybe if we had some more time, we could go up, but I basically close all my positions when US stock market closes and I go to bed. And today we have new opportunities. But we have a downtrend at the moment. On 15-minute, maybe 5-minute time frame. On lower time frames, we start a downtrend. Once we took this low, we are supposed to bounce to keep up the uptrend. You can stop out some longs by taking one low, but if you take more, then it's not good. And as you see, we have VWAP here, king indicator in downtrends. So is this downtrend? Yes, VWAP confirms this is downtrend. Price cannot go up anymore and it drops. Where do we drop? Previous day, point of control, where the most volume was transacted yesterday. If this holds, if POC holds, like we have another POC here, if POC keeps moving up, I consider this as an uptrend. Like we have another POC here, I consider this one big consolidation. We have another one here, so this is like last one that we could like backtest, but if we start losing POCs, it's not good. It's basically downtrend on higher time frames. For now it's only 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, but it could be worse. So we could be rolling over, but as we know, let me show daily time frame. We have bad highs, lower highs. We're gonna take them at some point. It's not 100% guarantee. Like we didn't take it yesterday, which I was expecting to break out, but we didn't. So maybe this 15-minute time frame rollover is gonna continue. But what does this mean? We're gonna take the highs, but it's gonna be later. Now we can still expect, because it's down, it's uptrend. You can see price moving up in an uptrend, but once it starts rolling over, we don't expect the highs anymore, and we aim for all the higher lows. Where do we see higher lows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and much more there. So if we start taking all those higher lows, who knows how deep we're gonna go. This is basically the crossroads for us. We hold this, or we start going down, who knows how deep. I will prepare some levels, of course, be ready, but at that point I will probably be trading shorts with the downtrend. Now I'm preferring longs with the uptrend because price is going up. Shorts are only for scalps. You see how fast it bounced here. So what can you do with shorts? It doesn't make sense to short uptrend strong like this. Stock market it took the highs, Dollar took the lows, so all that's left now is just wait for this pump to the upside. This downtrend is not gonna continue for long. So yeah, I am in long now from here. I will show you another perspective now. Order flow. You see how CVD dropped? Because we backtested the VWAP, and everyone is assuming that yeah, VWAP backtest, we are in downtrend now. And what does it mean if we are in downtrend? Basically, what I showed you, we can go much lower when we are in downtrend. We don't know when it's gonna reverse. But we still have some hope. Like, we're holding some POC here. It's only low time frame downtrend. It's not really something to worry too much about. And you can see after rejecting from VWAP, what is this? This is yesterday's median, basically the midpoint of yesterday. This is where we see massive absorption. To go down, like you see where's how low the CVD is. Let's compare it. It's lower than when price was at 35,800. Now we are basically 1,300-400 up, and there is more sells that happened in this than longs. How is this possible? Like right here, 35.5. We have exactly the same amount of sells in this uptrend as buys. This is designed to keep people away from longing. These wicks yesterday down. You see how much people sold. Why they selling? Again, how much people sold. This is a shakeout before a breakout. And this is again how much people sold. Open interest is dropping because it's not essentially new people opening shorts, but it's longs getting out because they are basically very confident that this is downtrend and it's rolling over and then we go lower. But I personally expect the highs to be taken, and this short-term downtrend is nothing to worry about. You know, markets are closed still. What happens during the Asia session, I'm not too concerned about. I see the data, what happened, but I'm not too concerned. Let's clean this up. See, POC of yesterday was here, and we are bouncing. 1 hour time frame, making a good low. First we drop, then we take the low, making this a good low. Here, bad high. We didn't take the high. This one is good high, but probably this is as much as it can get, not more. We will see. Let's prepare some levels. Maybe we do roll over. Need to be ready. Yeah, so I am long from here. Targeting the highs. Which highs? The last highs. Above the highs, it's price discovery. And if you remember from yesterday what I said, if we do get a backtest, I'm interested in short here. I'm not saying that I'm gonna short and that's it. Maybe I'm expecting some kind of reaction here, but maybe it's not gonna last too long. Maybe we backtest weekly open and then go back up. But it's gonna look exactly the same, the reaction here, and you will not know if this is just backtest or if this is full reversal. You will not know, but it's worth taking a short here. I'm gonna keep at least one long open from here, and the one from here I will probably close. I'm not sure if I'm gonna close, but we'll see what's gonna happen. If it's a quick swing failure and then we go down, I don't think I'm gonna short, but if we do some kind of failed auction, we take the high, then go back down, this is nice, because we make a nice trap. Yeah, so I'm ready to short the highs. Now for longs, let's say we are rolling over. What are we doing? We cannot lose this POC right here. We have the order block, which is not important anymore. Actually, this order block might still be important. Okay. Yeah, so for longs I expect much lower probably if we start reversing. I'm not gonna be very confident in longing this, but if we do get some kind of bounce here, like this X, it's gone. We took it yesterday. This POC. If we don't take these lows, I'm not gonna long this POC. If we take the lows, come back up, I will consider this basically. I will consider this long. And this projection at 35,350. If we take these, but this is gonna be like almost like price discovery because there is no support here. It could bounce here, here, here. We don't know about this. But if we do like fast drop, leave a wick, it could be opportunity here. So I basically have only two opportunities. 1 and 2. And for short, same one planned from last week. Do we short another test on weave up? I don't know. Probably not. Do you long this? Like I would suggest just long, take a small long. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. If it bounces above weekly open, add to the position. If we break out, add to the position. If we reverse, close that position, and that's it. Like now, take a small long. That's it. It's not financial advice, of course, but for me it makes sense just to take a small long. And where do I stop out the long? I can afford to stop out in here, like 400 down. It's very small long, but I'm gonna be adding on the way up. But this is last chance. I understand that this is going down on lower time frames, but this is last chance to bounce. Because when we start dropping, it can be very unpredictable how many lows we're gonna take and how much liquidity we're gonna grab and how many weeks we're gonna go down. So bounce here or nothing now. Okay, so have fun trading today, and good luck and see you tomorrow.